Let me move out of the way. So I'm not on here.
Right.
Okay, so it's 11 now, so it should be joining.
First time I've seen it on YouTube. It's pretty cool.
What's up?
Good. I'm listening to it out. I think y'all got everything you need.
Okay.
I'm not on here. Okay, so it's 11 now, so it should be joining. It's a 20-second delay. But then.
First time I've seen it on YouTube. Pretty cool.
Oh, so it's actually recording.
So it's on YouTube Live, but it's a 20-second delay on YouTube.
I can pause it until then. Just pause it right now. Okay, since we're not doing anything. Yeah.
It should be, people should be connecting to the Zoom call now.
It should be. I don't see anybody.
Supposed to start at 11. It should be, people should be connecting to the Zoom call now.
Because the Zoom will call in here, right? Maybe. Just let it be. I guess. A lot of feedback. Is that the volume?
It should be, people should be connecting to the Zoom call now. Oh, is that people calling
No, that was me reducing the
in?
volume.
Oh. It should be, the solicitor and the public defender. We've already sent out that information.
Yeah, but they,
What are they waiting on?
it's not in an email on now. Yeah, they should be clicking in now.
Okay, Adrian. I clicked the link and it says that the meeting was scheduled for the 1st. Is there another link I missed?
That's the PD that's going back and forth.
Darius, I'm trying to connect, but unfortunately, it says the meeting was scheduled for May 1st.
This is the defendant's saying he has to schedule.
Oh, May 1st. Okay, so we gotta do.
Okay,
Set
so
up
the
a new one.
defendant and Ms. Thornton
Okay.
have emailed and they said that they're,
All right, get in here. Or what do you think?
Yeah, let me try and get y'all going.
All right, cool.
Are any of these people in context? Are they an internal DeKalb County employee?
Adrian Thornton is.
Let's bring her in first. Adrian, Adrian. I got a Zayed. There she is.
And then also Carson Mayberry.
Hey, Adrian.
Ah, there's Adrian.
Can you hear us okay?
Hello, yes, everything is working well on my end.
Okay, good. We're just trying to get the other participants. Hang on, bear with us.
Understood, no worries.
Who is it?
Carson Mayberry.
You got an email?
See. I don't know his middle initial.
It's D as in dog, Carson D. Mayberry.
Thank you, Ms. Thornton.
No worries.
There he is. Who else do you need?
And then this one isn't in, this is the defendant. His email address is TREY.
Hang on. Do you have his phone number?
Ms. Thornton, do you have the defendant's phone number?
Hold on just 1 second. We actually do not represent him, but he did reach out to us, but I do have his number. It is 678-994-1957.
Can you repeat that one more time?
678-994-1957.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Well, I guess we're just doing meeting number.
Try a brandy or Javon.
Say that one more time.
On the when you try brandy or Javon.
Oh, you want me to get one of them?
One day when you invite them in.
Oh, well, we can, but they have that meeting. I know Brandy is in that meeting at 10.
No, they said they were coming.
What's his name?
Darius.
Hey, Tredarius, this is Scott. I work with the courthouse. I'm trying to get you a Zoom meeting set up for today. I have a meeting ID. Are you familiar with Zoom?
Yes, I am.
It's installed and everything's ready to go?
Yes, sir.
I got that meeting number. It's going to be 964-1733-7576. Sure can. It's going to be 964-1733-7576.
Well, it's on the YouTube channel.
That's true. I guess that's just if
You can always, if you email them and ask, or I can email them and say, if they want to look on the YouTube channel. You want me to do that?
would you
Mhm.
just email them now? Just say that.
You want me to send it to Brandy, Javon, and Troy?
Sure. Yes, please. And by copy me,
Okay.
please.
There you are. All right, thank you.
Oh, there's Mr. Mayberry.
Hi.
Hi, y'all.
He's got to start his video and he's muted right now. There he is. All right, y'all are good to go.
Thank you. Perfect.
Oh, yay.
Oh, yeah. Enjoy.
All right, good morning, everyone.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Mayberry. Is that Mr. Lassiter?
Yes, sir. Good
All
morning.
right. And Ms. Thornton, how are you?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good. Be presiding this morning. I also have Judge Story with me.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Judge.
Ms. Thornton, do you represent Mr. Lassiter?
We do not. Mr. Lassiter reached out to our office and he started the application process, but he had actually already negotiated with Mr. Mayberry, and he had actually worked out everything with Mr. Mayberry before we got involved. He really wanted to know whether or not we were going to be able to get him into court sooner. And at the time, we had told him there were no judges available. So we actually have not done any negotiations or anything on Mr. Lassiter's case.
Okay. Mr. Lassiter, are you comfortable to go forward this morning by yourself without representation by counsel?
Yes, sir.
You've already worked out your deal with the state, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mayberry, let me hear the facts of this case, please.
Yes, Your Honor. On this case, Mr. Lassiter was charged with speeding at 100 miles an hour at a roughly 10:30 a.m. in an HOV lane.
And did you have a recommendation as to negotiate a recommendation on this matter?
Yes, Judge. He has taken both DDS and TVIP courses online because of the current pandemic going on. But he's wanted to show that he's changed on that. He's enlisted. So we worked out a deal to lower the speed from 100 to 84 and a 65.
Everything is working well on my end.
With a recommended fine of $300.
We're just trying to get the other.
Do you know if he has any driver's history?
No worries.
I do not, Judge.
You are unable to run that.
No, Judge.
All right. Ms. Lassiter, so you were charged with speeding 100 in a 65. Do you understand what your charge is?
Yes, sir.
And from my understanding, the state has agreed to reduce it to 84 in a 65. How do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Okay. Did you understand the rights on the waiver of rights form that you've signed and initialed and you sent in?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to go to trial if you choose to do so?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you could have a right, you have a right to have a lawyer represent you at all stages of the case?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you could have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, sir.
You also understand that if you were to plead guilty, that you'll be waiving your rights to a trial, waiving your right to a lawyer, waiving your right to representation by a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
Reach out to us, but I do remember it is.
Okay. And has anyone forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
And do you understand that if you're not a citizen of the United States, the plea could impact your immigration status?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me at this time, sir?
No, sir.
All right, I find a factual basis to accept that plea. It's freely and voluntarily given. With
994-195.
with respect to the recommendation by the state, they are being generous with you. I understand that you're going to the military. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. And I will follow that recommendation based on that. When are you due to report?
I'm leaving at the end of this month.
You're leaving at the end of this month, okay? Well,
Yes.
well, obviously, you know, make sure you do well, and but you can't really go that fast on the highways, period. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Because you understand that something like that could impact your military career and future also. Be careful, okay?
You got you. Yes, sir.
All right, I'll accept the recommendation. Your fine will be $300 plus court costs. That comes out to $438.50. Okay, Mr. Mayberry, have you discussed with Mr. Lassiter on how to pay this fine?
No, I have not, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Lassiter, you will be mailing the, I guess, the fine to the courthouse. We'll give you further instructions on how to mail in your fine. Do you have any problems mailing in your fine this week?
No, sir, but do you know how long that will take?
How long before it's registered, or how long, what will take? I'm sorry.
Like to mail it in and get it back cleared and everything.
Well, once they hold on a second, let me check with the staff attorney. So you can pay it online. Actually, you can pay it online. Do we already give him the link? Okay, we'll give you the link to allow you to pay it online. There is a service fee to pay online, but once you pay it online, it registers right away.
Okay.
All right. All right. So what I will do is I'll give you through tomorrow to pay it online. So that'll be through the 5th, because we have to put in the paperwork today. So you can go to the online tomorrow and go pay it by the 5th. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Got any questions for me?
No, sir.
All right. Let's see whether I can get you the website to pay online. It's usually on the deferred sentencing form. There should be one. Maybe a copy somewhere. All right. Is it? That's my mistake. What? Deferred sentencing form.
Not for
No,
us.
not us. Anybody. It's the same thing. Anybody's deferred sentencing should have it.
Your Honor, let me pull one of my older files and see if it's in one of them for deferred
Okay.
sentencing. You could just
Sounds
give me 1
good.
minute.
Hold on, Mr. Lassiter. We just want to give you the information before we log off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I have it if we're ready, Your Honor.
Okay.
994. Your Honor, I have it if you're ready. 957.
Go ahead, please.
It's payments dot my, so MY 5, you have to spell it out, FIVE point POINT.com /DeKalb. And I'll
Actually,
repeat that
Can you
again.
show it to me on video, please, Ms. Thornton? Maybe I can, because we're going to also email it to him, so it'd be easier for him. Let's see, move it over. Okay, I got you. Mr. Lassiter, Mr. Lassiter, you can write it down as well. You can see it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my5point.com /DeKalb. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, so go online tomorrow and go make your payment, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Anything else, Mr. Mayberry?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Ms. Thornton?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you all. Good luck, Mr. Lassiter.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. Stay safe.
All right, thank you. You too.
Thanks.
Thank you, judges. Stay safe as well.
Okay, bye-bye. All right, so I can just end meeting.
Yes.